Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 8 e-commerce tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about how to delete category. So let's see how can we delete category. So switch to the project and first of all let's open the admin category component class file. So for that just go inside the app directory and http livewire admin and from here just open admin category component.php file. Alright, and inside this file let's create a function for deleting the category. Okay, so before this render method let's create a function here, public function, and function name, let's say function name is delete category, and inside this function let's pass one argument which is id. Alright, now fetch the category according to the id. So first create the category variable. Category is equal to model category model colon find, and here let's pass id. All right, now just call here the delete method. Okay, so write here category arrow delete. All right, and now inside the session call here the flash method, and in message key just write here a message category has been deleted successfully. Alright, now save this file. Now open the admin category component view file. So for that just go inside the resources directory, then views, livewire, admin, and from here just open admin category component.blade.php file. Alright, and inside this file you can see here this is the edit link. So after this edit link let's create one more anchor tag. So just write here a href is equal to uh, just write here the hash sign. Alright, and close the anchor tag, and inside the anchor tag write here I class is equal to fa dash times, and increase the fa size. So just write here fa 2x. Alright, and now just call this delete method. Alright, on click event. So here just write wire colon click dot prevent is equal to this method. So just copy this method name delete category and paste here, and inside this method just pass here the category id. So write here double curly bracket dollar category arrow id. Alright, and for displaying the message before this table let's add here at rate if directive if station colon had this key message key, this one, then first just close the end if and here add a div and class is equal to alert success and role is equal to alert. All right, and inside this just display here the message. So write here station get and this key message. Alright, now save this file, and now it's done. So let's check this. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, you can see here the delete link. Okay, delete link must be read. So here uh, let's add one more class, text danger. Alright, and also add here a style inside this anchor tag, style margin left 10 pixel. Alright, now save this file and let's check again. So switch to the browser and refresh the page. Alright, now it's looking good. Now let's delete any one category. So I'm just going to newly created this category. Okay, so just click on this, and here you can see category has been deleted successfully. Alright, so in this way you can delete category. So that's all about deleting category. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.